Okay, y'all. This is Debbie. I'm back with another video for y'all. And today, I already showed you, but this is the animated African American Santa. And let me unbox it for you and set it up. And I know it's not Christmas, so yeah. Take everything out the box. So you got these. Some poles. Some more poles. It's 4 of these big poles and 4 of these little poles. So it's 8 in total. Get the body. This is the body. And just set it up. First, you need the legs. These are the legs. You need these two. Put them up in there. This is at Walmart online for $100. So you do that. This is the clothes. So you put the clothes on it for it to, because you can't keep it on like, you can't do that. So you're going to have to do it like this. So you do it, put it on like so, and just like that. This is difficult. I'm not lying about it. This is difficult. Okay. Okay. See them? Put this on it like so. Then put this one on here like so. Then you get the body and put it on there like so. It's a 2 will go right there. It's a thing, a card. This thing right here, connect to this for it to swing. Uh-oh. And just put the clothes on like so. I know it's still October, but it's just really consistent. Like so, just like so, just like so, just like so. I don't know if y'all can see it, but right now I'm just putting the clothes on. Alright, put the body on. So right now I'm just putting the clothes on. Shoot. I just messed it up, so I'm going to have to redo it. It just is twisted, that's it. So the only thing that you need to do is just put it back. Just redo it, that's it. Is it still playing? If y'all can see, that's what I'm doing. I messed it up, so I have to redo it. Just redo it, that's it. Put it on there like so. so. And yeah. Just like so. Got this. Get this again. If you want to know me, God knows I love Christmas. I will keep this up. If it was my choice, I'll keep this up forever. That's how much I love Christmas. I just love it. Just put it on. I'm behind it right now, so before I do the rest and put the head on. Uh-oh, y'all. This is Davion. And this is the head. This is snap will go to it. I mean, the head, this hole will go to it at the top. And just do that. If you don't hear it click, that means it's not done yet. Not that, it's not like how it's supposed to. So, yeah, just like so. Put the belt on right. Then put the arms in right. Feet. And y'all want to see in action, I will do that. Now these little poles, I'm not going to use. Okay, so here is it in action. So here's it in action. You have a sensor and everything. That's it. It's mouth move, like what I said. You can get it at Walmart for $100. Yeah. You can get it at Walmart for $100. And he is 5 feet and 8 inches. And he's a good quality. He is fat, because Santa is fat. Only thing what I don't like about him is his eyebrows and the clicking if you can hear it. Let me show you again. Put it on sensor. Okay, here we go. Show you all the songs. And you do have Spanish version. Let me show you the Spanish version. Here's this one. This is the Spanish version. That's it. And that's it. Goodbye. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. And yeah. God bless and have a good night. Goodbye.